I really truly believe if you take care of your patients will take care of you.
He is a leading national advocate for safe, efficient delivery of pharmaceutical services for patients. His passion was ignited as a student at Creighton University's School of Pharmacy and Health Professions.
They taught us to be professional in the professional setting, plus in the community that we live in. They taught us to always believe in ourselves. They taught me especially to always ask why. I think that is a fundamental thing in life, that you should always ask why. I think a lot of the Creighton alums are not afraid to ask why and, challenge sometimes the norm.
In a career spanning more than 3 decades, Christopher J. Forst has directed the delivery of pharmaceutical care to patients in a half a dozen hospitals in Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas.
The tenet of the whole person and being a whole person and building and growing as a whole person is probably the hallmark of what Chris Forst does. He embodies the whole package, if you will. And he demonstrates that to his colleagues, he demonstrates it to students, he demonstrates that to his coworkers. You divide up your life into work and sleep and service. And he spends most of his time at work and service, and I think very little of it in sleep, because he's always here, he's always willing to help people, and he's always willing to help them grow individually and grow collectively.
Today at Cardinal Health in Dublin, Ohio, he is responsible for quality and regulatory controlled substance monitoring and diversion prevention for a national pharmaceutical wholesale company.
We have a relatively important role in identifying the potential for controlled substance diversion. Chris does a fantastic job with that. He has a team of pharmacists. He leads those pharmacists. He's communicative and thought-provoking.
As a fellow in the American Pharmacists Association and a longtime member of the House of Delegates and Pharmacy Practice and Management's Executive Committee, Chris Forst helps steer the direction of the pharmacy profession.
I think most importantly in the advancement of patient care, it has contributed to the process of the MTM process and moving forward, again placing the patient first in the profession as opposed to the product that unfortunately a lot of people still associate with the pharmacist. They don't really see a pharmacist-patient relationship, they just see a pharmacist as someone who dispenses drugs or makes sure that the drugs that they are receiving are the correct products. They forget that pharmacists are involved in interaction checking, they're involved in the total care of the patient. If the patient volunteers or willingly gives the information that's needed, and they also work in collaboration with their physicians and other members of the healthcare profession, whether it's the occupational therapist, the physical therapist, or whatever. There's usually some type of drug product involved in mostly all kinds of therapy.
An enthusiastic Blue Jay fan, Chris has endowed a scholarship in his parents' name and supports Creighton students' participation at American Pharmacists Association Foundation meetings.
I do what I can for the profession. I do what I can for the company I work for, and I try to do and give back to Creighton all the things that Creighton gave to me.
He demonstrates the values that are associated with a Creighton education, and doing so makes a credit for all the other Creighton grads to be able to say that, yes, I too went to Creighton University.
The School of Pharmacy and Health Professions proudly salutes Christopher J. Forst with the 2012 Alumni Merit Award.